Your roof is the most important component on your home. After all, it keeps water out and it keeps everything you value and love safe and dry. Not to mention, your roof is about 60% of the appearance of most homes. Because of wind or hail damage, or simply wearing out over time, chances are you will have to replace the roof on your home. The critical and aesthetic function of replacing your roof must be entrusted to someone who will do the job correctly the first time. Introducing Rayne-Storm Roofing and Consulting. Experts in residential roofing with more than 30 years in the roofing industry. We have highly trained, skilled technicians. Rayne-Storm Roofing and Consulting are preferred contractors for most roofing manufacturers, like CertainTeed. Rayne-Storm is trained by Hague Engineering Firm and accredited by Shingle Master from CertainTeed in order to offer extended warranties. We will assess the true condition of your roof and deliver accurate, detailed, easy-to-understand written reports and estimates that fully outline your residential roofing needs. No matter how large or small your project, we are fully qualified to repair, install, and maintain your roof system. We also help our residential clients by offering 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week emergency service. Rayne-Storm Roofing and Consulting has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, with literally thousands of satisfied customers. We constantly give back to the community by donating work and services to individuals in dire need or who have had things happen beyond their control. We've donated free gutters to the parks, and even installed roofs for individuals hit by tornadoes. Rayne-Storm has even worked as volunteers with the team at Extreme Home Makeover. To provide you peace of mind, call now about Rayne-Storm Roofing and Consulting's extended residential roofing warranty. By installing our unique roofing system, you will receive an extended warranty on both materials and labor. Of course, you'll need to choose from one of our customized, comprehensive residential roofing systems with all the proper ventilation, underlayment, and necessary materials. Rayne-Storm Roofing and Consulting is fully licensed and insured. It's extremely important to know you can trust Rayne-Storm Roofing and Consulting to work with your insurance company before, during, and after your roofing project. Call Rayne-Storm Roofing and Consulting today at 816-443-3082 or visit us on the web at raynestormco.com.
Details make the difference.